Transforming technology, custom PCB manufacturing from OBDGenie. At OBDGenie, we do more than just transform vehicles with exciting feature upgrades. We also manufacture high-quality printed circuit boards right here in our state-of-the-art facility. Located in Oviedo, Florida, OBDGenie is at the forefront of SMT line technology, proudly ensuring that every board we produce is precision crafted. Our facility is equipped with advanced equipment and staffed by certified technicians, ready to manufacture PCBs customized to your exact specifications. Whether you need small batch or large-scale production, OBDGenie has the expertise to deliver on time and on budget. Trust the experts at OBDGenie for all your PCB manufacturing needs. Contact us today to learn how we can bring your ideas to life.